Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use notebook LMs for studying, for the education purposes and all that stuff. So, take it as a reference for the what I'm going to show you an example. So take it as a reference. So here, I'm working on a Go high level project, and this is for my education purposes as well. I am not familiar with the Go high level, and I don't know how it works, or what's the pros and what's the cons, and how it operates. So what I have done, so I have gathered all the information from the internet, from various sources, and I have combined them in one place from where I can access all these things. So I can learn from here. I can, get all the information, all the data that I think could be relevant for the information that I am looking forward to. So this is everything that I'm, working lately. And if I just click on it, and it will show me what's inside that specific topic. And apart from that, if you're, just working, if you're a student of high school or something like that, you can just import your books, the PDF files, and do the research about these topics. And you can simply research from here, or if you have a specific question related to specific chapter or specific line, you just mention that specific code, and it will get all the information related to it from the book and from the internet as well. So this is how it goes. Hope you find this video helpful. See you again. Bye bye.